The weather is heating up, but so is the real estate market. And now is the time to build your sweat equity. So check out 3506 Eastwood Drive. All right, guys, I got to keep it real with you. This house needs some work. The roof is old. The walls could use paint. Some electrical needs updated. But there are 2 living spaces, 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, an attached garage, and someone could move right in and make this space their own. So, where are you gonna put your sweat equity? So here we are in the big level backyard, but don't worry, this above ground pool, this deck, all of that is gonna be gone by the time you get this home. So you've seen the work the home needs. Time to get to work.